Area I throw salute to. I do welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, show area love normally. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification button so that it will notify you green every time when we drop our Ogbonge doings. Arsenal 4 and Leeds United 1. We get Oga Shozi. Maybe Ogbonge Arsenal fan. Anyway, Arsenal colours come today. Make on tell us about how we see the game. Oga Shozi. Manchester City first play early kickoff today. They win Liverpool 4-1. Arsenal, people going to wait to make the see what Arsenal could do. Arsenal, they respond to that 4-1, win Leeds United 4-1 too. How you see the team performance? Maybe we first start from there.
Basically, the team now gets one drive, winning mentality, in the sense that they don't see themselves say this league will not get any team but just to win them. We must not lose this one. You understand? So I believe it now be that skill, now be that drive, now be that determination we see Arsenal they use for this current match. And I did very, very happy in the sense that when Man City they play, when first half been 1-1, I say, God, made this match just end like this. But along the line, Man City gonna give them 4-1. We self will tell them say no wahala, we self go see deliver the 4-1 when they see deliver. So now be that great performance from the squad, from the defenders, midfielders, wingers, striker, and our goalkeeper as usual.
So today performance, which player if he points for Arsenal say 9 play past all the rest players? Where people always say plenty of you both go talk say man of the match. Which player be your man of the match?
Okay, that one go hard in the sense that of late I not go lie for you, not because it's not my club, but if we go into proper analysis, you go testify say Arsenal defenders in likes of Zinchenko, Ben White, Gabriel, and this France boy too, Saliba. Those boys improve seriously. Then when you go our midfield, Zaka, Odegaard, Fabio, Partey, you understand? They still improve. Then see our winger back to back. If the boy not score, they give assist. Now be Martinelli and Saka. You understand? So basically, to the point, say this man I try pass, this man I this pass for Arsenal now. If we be real, not the easy to select, but for this match, make I give out to Trossard. Why I give out to Trossard? I say when he starts, he did for 7. You understand? He starts at 7 as winger for this match. But later on, you can't see and you can't rove, you can't go till the match finish. You know they one position. So make I give out to Trossard and I be my man of the match for the game.
So we'll talk about Gabriel Jesus now. We're not saying get that injury when he picked for World Cup. And today, in score in first goal since October, penalty, where Blessing and him cost, then Incon score Arsenal 3rd goal. How you see Gabriel Jesus come back from injury and how you think say it go be for Arsenal for the title race with a player like Gabriel Jesus when they come from injury?
Well, Gabriel Jesus and Zinchenko from Man City. Now that be the best buy where Arsenal don't buy in a long time. After we buy players like Matthew Ozil, we buy Alexis Sanchez. You understand? These two combination reminds me of a strong force. They get the football for body. They get the winning mentality. They come Arsenal. They can't even tell the players and say, see, forget say people they write us off. But as me, I don't come, so me, I go bring my own come. This man I go bring, everybody go bring your own come. So when Gabriel Jesus not there, I miss the guy. But Arsenal, they come, like say, luck come shine with them. They come go buy this Trossard. So you understand? I really miss the boy. I really wish say not go that Brazil tournament at all. I know now, but I wish say not go. Say maybe you can't get one kind of hamstring. They can't say no carry him. For not miss him like this. And the boy, the pain where he passed through, not be small. So coming out, when they score these 2 goals, it mean a lot to me, it mean a lot to the club, He also mean a lot to Gabriel. And I know say what I don't did down for that Premier League highest goal scorer, he go see pick up. You don't understand. If he not be third, he go be fourth. So now good development and good welcome back for him. Two goals, not be beans.
So I will ask you, starting of season, you get the way you see your team to play.
Yeah.
You can't talk say this league don't go. Now, since when you talk about that, when you talk, and some people say, this Oga be like say you don't know what you they talk. Be like say you don't know what you they talk.
Yeah.
But now the game don't reach. Arsenal don't be consistent for this up. They come back to the top.
Yeah.
Now 9 matches to go. What do you still get to tell anybody with a doubt Arsenal? Say Arsenal no fit win this league.
Anybody wey be say they doubt Mr. Arsenal no fit win the league, make go watch the first day when I talk about say this league don't go already. I talk sometimes things for ground. Arsenal just dey talk about say the league don't go because it's not my club. Or I just dey talk for normal prediction, or I just dey talk for normal this thing. We know say this league might be one of the best league for the world. Might be the best league for the world. The likes of Man City not quick pick. Likes of Liverpool never pick. Likes of Man U, they don't pick, but they never drive, we never enter gear. Likes of Chelsea never pick. The only people who don't pick for the normal top four, where they talk top flight clubs, now be Arsenal. And if you see the way the players they know they play like last season. They know they play like last 2 seasons. The dribble wey be say Martinelli and Bukayo Saka don't get. I'm not sure say wingers, we don't get and pass them for this Premier League. They're not many except the Mahrez. Sure you don't understand me. So you dey see players they develop day by day. You dey see the coach they do it in day by day. Then when I talk say the league don't go, you see they tell me say the league never go. Since I talk that word, we'll never come up for number 1. Courage now. So the league now we get them. If they like, when they go play the football for 4 o'clock or the way INEC they announce result to, we go still win now.
So Arsenal next game against Liverpool,
Yes.
how you dey see that game? Because many people believe say Anfield for recent years Arsenal never get results from Anfield, but this season how you dey see that game for a way when Arsenal will go
All
play
the
Liverpool
result-
for Anfield?
All the results we never get since, we'll get them for Anfield. Always get that result, say we win for Anfield. And when we go win Anfield, they go know say these people not be easy bites. So now so it just be.
All right, now I got you. Thank you for your time.